This is a video I'm making about how to use a pendulum to fine tune a radionic box. I guess for beginners. I'm picking up from the other video I did with the stick pad method. On this method here, I got a pendulum here. You don't need a pendulum. You could use a key on a string. And basically what I'm doing is, I can't do it because I'm holding my phone, but with one hand you would, on here I got a trend for whoever's watching this would feel positive about their lives. And what you do is you just hold the pendulum up with one hand, with the other hand you touch the knob. And you can make like, this way would be like out of tune. And then if it goes like this, side to side, kind of, it'll be in tune. Like side to side like that. And you just hold the pendulum. And then you turn the knob as you hold the pendulum until you get it to go, in tune for however you want to set it to be in tune. I'm just saying like this way, side to side's in tune, and up and back would be out of tune. And go through each knob until you get to tune up, and then just turn your box on. And on this particular trend, I came up with a couple numbers. I did one with a stick pad and one with a pendulum. And I got different rates for each one, which I usually get when I do it. And what I find when doing this is if I use a pendulum, it seems like it's a better tuning than when I use a stick. Like on this particular trend, I used a pendulum and I got 10, 10, and 14 for the three knobs. So over here, I'm going to turn it to 10, 10, and then to 14. And when I look at it, I feel like this is in tune to this trend. I can't necessarily feel the trend on it, which is being more positive watching it. But I get the idea that it's more in tune to this trend using a pendulum. If I sit and look at it, I can't really feel it, but it feels like it's in tune to it. Now, if I go over to my stick pad that I got, which was 18 all across, and tune this up to 18. I look at this now and I can feel the energy being more positive coming off it. But I get the feeling that it's not in tune. Underneath, it feels like it's not quite in tune to it. So, the radionics is totally subjective. I don't think there's any right or wrong answer. But if you're starting out and not sure what to do, try using a pendulum. Because I think you get a better tuning for the desired trend you want than using a stick pad. Especially if you're a beginner. So,